Today we are going to look at a special type of clause called a cleft sentence. These allow us to put focus on, or emphasize, a certain part of a sentence. They usually begin with a what, or, it clause. Compare these sentences. Let's look at it clauses now. Here is a simple sentence with no emphasis. We can emphasize, or focus on, different parts of the sentence by using it plus be, like this. It was just Peter, not anyone else, who was late. It was last week, not any other time. It was the meeting, not any other event. We can also use this type of clause to show surprise. For example, we often use a what plus be clause when we want to introduce a topic, give a reason, instruction, or explanation, clarify or correct something that has been said or done. For example, we can also use this structure to focus the attention on an action that someone performed. For example, we can replace what with other nouns or noun phrases, usually as a substitute for when, where, who, or why. For example, try to complete these sentences with the words on the right to make some cleft sentences. Pause the video if you need, then we'll check the answers together. Here are the answers. How many did you get correct?